day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am not cooking, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite tools. Now I have a lot of them, but these are the ones that I use most of the time. And if you like cooking or baking or hate it, it makes it so much easier when you have all the right tools. So the first thing I love is a really good chopping board. This chopping board, I'm not quite sure what it's made from, but it's not wood and it's fabulous, and it goes in the dishwasher. So this is in and out of my dishwasher all the time, and it washes it really well, and it stores nicely because it's nice and thin. So a good chopping board's important. Good graters are important too. I have 2 graters, different sizes. I use them a lot. If I don't need a huge amount to put in my cuisinart, I use a good grater that has good different blades on them too. I have a great juicer. So this is great for lemons and limes, and you can buy them now anywhere. They're really easy to find. It's the best thing for juice. It gets all the juice out. There's a section for limes, which is smaller than the lemons. I use it for oranges as well. It's a great juicer, great tool to have. I use it a lot. My Microplane. So I use this for, I use it for ginger. I use it for cheese. I use it for lemon zest, orange zest, garlic even. It's an amazing tool and you'll use it all the time, and it finally grates it. So if I don't need a big grate and I need to zest something, this is the tool that I use. Tongs, never have enough tongs. They're great for meat, chicken, fish, vegetables. Instead of, if you don't want to break something up, and like eggplant, you don't want it to mush, you use tongs. So tongs for everything in different sizes, and then you can even serve food with the tongs as well when you serve it. And the last thing that I love is a really good hand blender. So with a hand blender, and this one's great because it just pops in the dishwasher and it stores really nicely. It's not bulky. You can blend soups. I don't even put the soup in the blender. I put this in the soup pot. You can mash potatoes with it, and you can also, usually these blenders come with cups, so I can put nuts in here and I can actually chop my nuts up. I make marinades in here by using the blender as well. If I'm making like a coriander marinade for chicken, I put the marinade in here, so it's really multi-purpose. So just remember, if you love cooking or hate cooking, it's so much easier when you have the right tools.